What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake imposters out there, a lot of fake social media platforms scamming people with my name. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, back at it again. You know I'm dropping gems, you know I'm dropping sauce. I'm here to give y'all the information that y'all need to become a boss. And this video, I'm going to be talking about SECU. Yes, I said it, SECU Credit Union. Yes, they're giving unsecured signature loans to people who have bank accounts with them and build a relationship. All right, so y'all know what them signature loans mean. All you need is to tell them how much you make just off your signature, and they're going to give you a loan, all right? And they're giving out pretty decent loans. So today we're going to be talking about the unsecured signature loans that you could be getting from SECU Credit Union based out of Maryland. And like I said, as long as you guys take the information that I give you in the beginning of this video and apply it to your credit score, your credit report, and your credit structure, I guarantee you have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. All right, so don't just watch my videos and then jump up and try to go apply. Hello? So make sure y'all take the instructions that I'm giving y'all, the information that I'm giving y'all in the beginning of these videos, so you can have a better chance, a better success rate of getting approved for these loans, right? So like I've been telling you guys before in every video for the past couple videos, you got to get y'all paper trail together. You got to get your credit report together, because there's a lot of things that they check only other than your credit score to approve you for these loans. Now, I told y'all about the ADP payroll provider. So it's a lot of people that's self-employed. And if you want to get a signature loan, you're going to have to, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have to go through ADP payroll provider. Why? Because they're going to be able to provide checks for you that you can cash, and you can put it into your bank account, and they can see that. Now you're creating a paper trail for your money, and they can see money coming in and going out, and you're building a relationship with this credit union, and they're going to start offering you certain perks. Once you start getting certain perks, you're going to go to the loan officer and you're going to say, hey, I want an unsecured signature loan. They're going to say, okay. They're going to check out the paperwork they need to check out. They're going to check out your credit score. They're going to check out your payment history, and you're going to get approved because you took the steps that I've been telling you in the beginning of these videos. You applied it to your life. You applied it to your business. You applied it to your credit profile, and it worked for you, right? So you're gonna get your credit report, you're gonna get your credit score, you're gonna go to Experian.com, you're gonna pay a little $24 a month, so you can start getting your 3 FICOs and start understanding and knowing what's going on with your credit score, right? So once you do that, then you're gonna see all the collections that's on your credit report. I'm pretty sure if you don't got a lot, that's good. If you do got a lot, they delinquent, it's messing your credit up, you need to start disputing those things, all right? So the first thing you're going to do, any collection account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those are going to be the ones that you start dropping off first. So you're going to see what you got going on in your collections. You're going to go to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, Freeze. You can Google those. It's going to take you directly to those sites. You're going to freeze your credit, make a profile. You're going to freeze your credit reports. Then you're going to go back to Experian and you're going to dispute all those collection accounts, right? So once you dispute all those collection accounts, give it up to 15 business days, all right, to start seeing results. A lot of people think credit cleaning and rebuilding is automatic. No, it takes time. You got to do certain things, right? So make sure you give it the 15 days before you start complaining if you don't see nothing, because give it at least 2.5 weeks. All right, 2.5 weeks. Once you start seeing drop-offs, then you want to go start adding those trade lines in them AU accounts, because those trade lines in them AU accounts was going to boost your debt good debt, and you're gonna have good payment history, because by you paying for those trade lines, it's gonna be direct deposited out of your bank account every month for payments, and it's gonna make you have good payment history. All right, so you're gonna go to trade line supply. That's gonna be the AU. That's where you can get any credit card account for any bank, so you can piggy bank off them. So you might want to get a $20,000, $10,000, whatever situation you got going on around that time. All right, so it can reflect off your credit, and they can see that, and they can, you know what I'm saying, help you out. So if they see a $20,000 credit card on your credit that's aged for at least 5-6 years, that's gonna be good. They see a trade line on your account that's $10,000 you've been paying it back, and that's good. So now you buy $30,000 and you're only trying to get 15, 20. So it's gonna help you out. Them trade lines and all that is gonna help your credit out, your credit profile, so you can do what you need to do. All right. So once you do all that, once you get all those trade lines together on your credit report, let it marinate for a second. Let it marinate. Stop being so thirsty. Let it marinate. Once you let it marinate and you see it start reflecting, then you want to go to SECU Credit Union. Then you want to open up a bank account with them and get your process started. So without further ado, let's check out SECU Credit Union and see how you can get your unsecured signature loan. All right, so today we're going to be talking about SECU Credit Union. They got personal banking, business banking, advice, planning about SECU, virtual financial center, news and insights. All right, so unsecured signature loans. Borrow for any worthwhile purposes or to consolidate existing debt into one low monthly payment. Whether you use the loan to buy new furniture, finance a home improvement, or take a vacation of your dreams, approved members will enjoy. All right, so loans up to $30,000, $300,000 to $30,000, no application fee, no prepayment penalty, which means if you pay the loan back faster than the desired date, you will not be penalized. A variety of loan terms to make monthly payments manageable. Predictable, affordable payments that won't change for the life of your loan. All right, so making the payments couldn't be easier. Choose from these convenient payment options. So transfer funds from your SECU checking account to your loan account using online banking, 24-hour banking, or SECU ATM. Have your payment automatically deducted from your SECU checking account. Mail your payment with the loan payment coupons we provided. Don't do that. They stealing checks out here. Drop off your payment at any SECU branch. All right, so they got the rates right there. Get started today. Become a member is easier than you think with the state-of-the-art financial centers, all thought throughout Maryland. 550,000 plus free ATMs, the full range of banking services. There are so many reasons to love SECU. So it just breaks it down. Check out the rates. So they got checking, they got savings and money, market, mortgages, and home equity. They got balance requirement, $75,000 balance requirement, you know. So it just breaks down all the information that you would need to know. So yeah, man, they out here giving out big $30,000. They giving out $30,000. You can't beat that. You can't go wrong with that. You can't miss out on that. They got personal loans too. And that's just unsecured signature loans. That was just, you know what I'm saying, that was something different. They got preferred lines of credit. They got unsecured signature loans. They got deposit secured loans. They got a lot of different things. Preferred lines of credit. Up to $30,000, same thing. So yeah, man, go check out SECU Credit Union. Go get your line of credit, a signature loan. All they need is your signature. You tell them what you make, they check out your bank. You can make them ADP check deposits in your bank account. You'll be good, man. Add them trade lines, you'll be good. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about it. SECU Credit Union. Signature, unsecured signature loans, all right? So let's talk about it. SECU Credit Union, all right? Now, like I said, they're giving out unsecured signature loans, which means you do not have to put out any collateral or anything to get that loan. It's just a signature. You're going to get that loan as long as you got a bank account with them. And how you going to be able to get that loan once you get that bank account with them is using ADP payroll provider if you're self-employed, by running your paychecks through, running your money through them, getting a paycheck and depositing that paycheck into your bank account. You can get that direct deposit, so you won't even get a check. The money will be directed. You put it through them and it'll go right to your bank account with SECU, right? So once you build a relationship with SECU, they'll start sending you perks, they'll start sending you offers, and you can get approved for that $30,000, maybe a little bit less, but who knows? You might get approved for the $30,000 loan. Add those trade lines, add that AU, and I promise you're gonna have a success rate of getting approved for a high limit, close to, if not $30,000. All right, so make sure y'all tap in with them. Make sure y'all go check them out. Do your research before y'all go just jump and apply for these bad credit loans, and then be mad when y'all don't get approved because y'all not following my instructions. Y'all not getting y'all paper trail together. Y'all not getting y'all paperwork together. Y'all not getting y'all credit reports together. Y'all think just because y'all got bad credit, y'all gonna get approved. It don't work like that, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all going to get y'all gems, man. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, new subscribers, and old subscribers. Because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. That's what I'm going to continue to do, all right? So shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, content creators, producers, cameraman, all that good stuff like that. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. Once you pay your $200 fee, I'm going to check you out, see what you got going on. You never know, you might get your chain and your watch. So make sure you tapping in, all right? Unlimited gems, $1,200, FaceTime 101s. Unlimited gems, you can get all the sauce that you need. I'm going to show you how to make money, passive income, thousands of dollars daily, all that good stuff like that, all right? I'm going to put you in the game, all right? So it's unlimited gems. It's not going to be one call. It's unlimited calls. I mean, until you get together, we're going to be on the call. But you got to understand that I'm one person. I'm working with hundreds of different people, too. So I can't talk every day. Can't give you, just, you know what I'm saying, like, be understandable and you'll be good, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with that. Also, make sure you come get your book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in person, unlimited gems. $3,500 in state, $4,500 if I gotta come out of state to you, all right? So you pay $500 deposit, you pay the rest of the money when we meet in person. Once you pay the deposit, you're gonna pick your date and we're gonna go from there. Mentorships is $2,400. That's a step under the in-person unlimited gems. I'm gonna teach you how to do everything that you need to do. Make money with me. We're gonna make passive income together. Make YouTube channels. Do all that. So tap in if you're ready to win and start making some money with me. Also, please have respect when you DM me on my IG page. Please follow my strict rules when you DM me. If you're not DM me trying to purchase anything that I have to offer, please don't DM me asking for anything free. No quick questions. No, how do I do this? How do you do that? No. Once you DM me, it's about business. So, like I told you, once you DM me, you should say unlimited gems, $1,200, Cash App payment. And you should send me a screenshot of your Cash App balance with $1,200 on it. If it's not on there, you can't send it, all right? Or 1K to 10K, 1K Cash App balance, Cash App payment, and your Cash App balance with 1K on it. If you're not sending me like that, I will not respond, all right? So please be ready. Or the Empire Mega Book, $200, Cash App payments, and then a screenshot $200 on your Cash App balance. That's how you supposed to write me on my DMs or Telegram, all right? Telegram link is in my community post. If you're not contacting me like that, I'm not going to respond. I'm about business. Put your feet in my shoes. You would be the same way if you were handling business and get hundreds of people all day begging for handouts, getting mad at you because they can't get what you want, and then playing the victim and then disrespecting you, calling you out your name and all this and all that on a daily basis. So please just be respectful and be about business when you contact me, all right? And we're going to be good. So without further ado, y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next sauce session, next video. Peace.